By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use a USB flash drive like a pro. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a USB flash drive? A USB flash drive is a small storage device used to save and transfer files. You can store documents, pictures, videos, music. How to connect a USB flash drive? So step number one, you find a USB port on your computer. It's on either side of your computer, either on the left side or on the right side. Just check the USB port on your computer. After that, step number two, insert the USB flash drive careful on that port. You insert. So I insert here. Then you wait for a few seconds, the computer will detect the USB automatically like this. Just automatically when I have inserted the USB, the computer has detected it. To open the USB drive, step number one, open the File Explorer. This is the File Explorer. Open it, just click. Then click this PC, here, this PC, or you can just see direct here your USB drive. You can see written either USB drive or removable disk or the name of the USB drive you are using, the brand. So you just have to double click the drive to open. So directly from here I can double click, then we have opened the USB drive, and the drive is empty for now. There is no any files here. Now let's check how to copy files to a USB. Step number one, find the file you want to copy. For example, a picture, a document, or a video, or any file you want to copy. Right click the file. So let's copy this file. We right click drive, right click this file, then click copy, or you can just put the cursor here and click Control C, Control plus C. Then open the USB drive, open the File Explorer, then open the drive, right click, then click Paste or Control V, paste. So the file now is copying from the desktop to the USB drive. Just wait a few seconds. It depends on the size of the file you are copying. Then you will see your file in the USB drive. So now the file has been copied to the USB and the process is completed. We see our file is inside the USB drive G. So that's how to copy the file into the USB. You can also copy the entire folder to the USB, not only file but the folder like this. The process are the same. Just right click the folder, click copy, then go to the USB drive, open the drive, then Right click and click paste. Then your folder will be copied into the USB drive. Then the entire folder and all its content will be copied to the USB drive. There is this one important thing that you should know. You should not remove a USB immediately because many people make this mistake. Never remove a USB while files are still being copied because this can cause damage for the files, can corrupt the USB, and also can cause data loss. So always wait until copying is finished, then remove or just click cancel. Don't just remove the USB immediately. Now let's see how to safely remove a USB. So when you are done with everything you want to do with your USB, step number 1, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Bottom right corner of the screen. Click the USB icon. Find the USB icon here. Right bottom corner here. Find the USB icon, this one. Then click the icon. Click this icon. Then select eject disk. Select eject USB drive. You can see USB drive or disk like here. Click. Then wait for a few seconds. You see here the icon has disappeared. So we have safely removed the USB. Now you can remove your USB from the computer. After this icon disappear, you can remove the USB from the computer. You can unplug the USB flash drive. Or the other method, you can just come here directly, then find the USB drive. From here you can right click and check for this option eject. Click eject. So after clicking eject, you see now the USB option has disappeared. So that means you can safely remove the USB from your computer. So now you can unplug your USB from the port and continue with your other issues. So that's how to safely remove the USB. Remember, don't just remove your USB immediately. Do the safe removal of USB as I have shown you right now. That's very important to avoid corrupting your USB or losing your data. So make sure every time you finish working with the USB drive, you do the safely removal of the hardware. Well, so today we have learned what is USB flash drive, how to connect a USB, how to copy files to a USB, and how to safely remove a USB. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, to leave a comment, and to subscribe to Nath Tech Zone. See you in the next computer basic lesson.